So now that we know how to query data, let's look at how we can update or delete records. Now to update a record, we first need to access it. So I'm going to say album equals session.query, and we want to query albums, and that will be filter by, and inside we want to filter for the title equals 21. And since we only want one record, I'm going to say dot first. That will just give us the record that's first in the query. There should only be one, and that will give us that record. Now let's say we figure out that actually 21 is not an Adele album, it's a Lil Wayne album. So we can simply say album.artist equals Lil Wayne, and then session.commit should commit these changes. If I just save and run and then hop over to the database, we can see 21 is now a Lil Wayne album. And if we want to delete an album or a record from our database, we can simply say session.delete, and inside we're gonna pass that album we just queried. Once again, to reflect the changes, session.commit, save and run, hop over to the database, just refresh it there, and now we can see that 21 no longer appears in the list of albums. So that is how you update and delete records. In the next tutorial, we're going to add some songs to this album, so that will expose you to foreign keys and parent and child relationships. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like down below and consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.